Good day everyone, I am Maria Karen G. Cunanan, bomb student from UPOU. So, I'm going to state all the major learnings that I had from this course. So, let's begin first with multimedia. Multimedia is a word that was created decades ago. Now, it is often misdefined by many. People conjure up image due to various changes in media for the past years. For a PC vendor, multimedia maybe is a computer having its various functions, but for an IT student, they have more complex knowledge knowing the difference between multimedia and media modalities. And just because something is not digital doesn't mean it isn't multimedia. Moving on, let's talk about the technical foundations of digital text, images, audio, and video. Digital text, like all digital information, is actually nothing more than a series of numbers that is interpreted by computers' hardware and software. And no matter how many innovation and technology exists, text will always be a better media than all other forms of media because of its editability, sufficiency, and accessibility. That's why most of the people prefer text more than video, audio calls, because it's a lot easier to express yourself than having to speak through your voice. For digital images, I learned how they are stored in the computer. From letters, they become numbers, and they are stored as bits of zeros and ones through transistors. Third, digital video. First, what is video? It is a series of images flashed in such rapid succession that your eye interprets the changes between successive images as motion. Frame size determines the quality of a video. Like digital audio, it has compression. The important thing to note is that compression can produce unwanted artifacts and can slow down the production process. Fourth, authoring software. Some needs to be installed in your computer's operating system. Word processing programs like OpenOffice Writer and Microsoft Word are examples. Another way to classify authoring software is by the authoring paradigm, used in order for the user to understand how to manipulate information to achieve a desired result. There are vast of different ways to interact with media modalities. Examples are hypertext and hypermedia. They are not far from the definition of each other. They are both text which contains text, and hypermedia link contains audios and videos. Clear? So my favorite knowledge about this is the difference of web and internet. I used to tell when I was a kid and up until now, if I have not read the module, I'll search in the internet. While it should be, I'll search in the web through the use of internet. I feel like I'm a professional now. So yes. Sixth, animation is a sequence of images that when shown in quick success appear to exhibit properties of motion. The most popular use of animation is for entertainment and games. Video is moving images capturing real-life events, while animation manipulates images and videos and is generated. You should use video when you want to capture human behavior and emotion, like dramas or film, while animations mainly when you illustrate movements like a character slicing a meat. And finally, for the last one, case studies using color and using music. Colors and music affect how a viewer perceives a certain multimedia production. For example, a horror film is not really scary without the scary and intense background sounds. When you put joyful sounds to it, it will not be thrilling at all. The same as to colors, there are different shades and palettes to consider before producing multimedia. So far, those are the summary of my major learnings in each module. At first, some terms were quite unfamiliar to me, impacting how I understand the entire concepts they were trying to convey. Allotting my time and focus onto it, little by little, I can already grasp hard topics about the course. From just knowing the meaning of certain media aspects, I learned where they originated, how they were built, and how they work. So far, I realize we people are too invested with the results that we neglect the part how they actually perform behind the scene. As a multimedia student, I am expected to learn more about this course related to technologies and digital innovation and multimedia, enhancing and making my mind naturally invested into it. That's all. God bless FIC and students!